Hi guys, we have a small discussion about the gamified learning or the game-based elements in improving the participation and learning of the student. We learn here about the gamified learning, the history of the gamified learning, some theory about the gamified learning, the neuroscience of the gamified learning, and some strategies of the gamified learning. First of all, what is the gamified learning? The gamified or the gamification is the use of gaming design elements and game principle in non-game context set of activities and process to solve problems by using the characteristics of the game elements. The gamified learning use games to educate some students and improve their participants. Like some teachers use games to teach their students and to give them some happiness by using a game that can educate students. The history of gamification and education. Some of the earliest use of gamification in a learning environment dates back to the 1980s with video and computer games such as were in the world in Carmen San Diego. Software developer Brother Band's software published in 1985. It was a huge success. This game teaches geography and history to player as they act like detectives, which the ACME detective agency looking for a former ACME detective Carmen San Diego. It's received over 70 awards. In particular, the Silver Apple Award from the National Education Media Network in 1996. The first game that they use is they teaches geography and history, and the game is you like a detective, but this game has a 70 awards that they receive. That is all about the history of the gamification in education.
So we move on here in gamification theory in educations. Wherein the gamification theory in educations, we have the best way or we have the perfect way on how we teach our students in making them fun and excitement. We are making them happy and interested in learning and listening. Here in the gamification learning, we have the also the best way to encourage them, wherein we have the teamwork to enhance their knowledge, to get some information or new knowledge, new ideas to to apply to applied in their life, in real life situations. So we move on here in the advantages and disadvantages of gamification. First one of the advantages of gamification is that we can boost the engagements of the learners, wherein we can get the attention of our listeners to our discussions. We can get their attentions, we can get their attention in listening to our discussions to make them fun and excite. Second one is to provide instant feedback, wherein if they are having fun on our discussions, they are making it feedback. We are, they are also excited, and we are also participated to our discussions. And and the last one is the increase motivates, such as badges, wherein we have to give them also the gift or the prizes for them to encourage them to more participate and to learn more and to improve their knowledge more. So this first one of the disadvantages is to the first disadvantage at expensive development, and the second one, diminish value over time. Wherein dito, mas napapalagahan na yung time kaysa sa value of education. Wherein it is the one of the disadvantages in gamification. So the last one is that games that are only poorly masked quizzes. It only contains quizzes. It makes having time, it's make having fun, but then it is also one of the disadvantages in gamifications, wherein we are only getting some quizzes and tests. Here in the neuroscience of gamifications, we have the types of neuroscience of gamifications, wherein the first one is that gamification connects people on an emotional level, wherein while we are engaging this gamification, it also get the attentions and get the emotions, feelings of our students and learners, wherein it is the best way to help them to boost their confidence and communication skills, to engage and boost their self-confidence. The second one is to recall is controlled by the hippocampus, wherein dito ginagamitan na siya ng brain or memories, wherein it is the memory cells that we are recall or remember. Ito yung mga napag-aaralan natin na mga bagay or mga informations na naaalala natin or na nare-recall natin in the past.
Number 3. Stories are easier for the brain to process than facts. It states that the brain processes stories more effectively than it does a string or fact of facts. For this reason, storytelling is a fantastic way of delivering new information to students. So also, another information that stories are an effective way to transmit information and values. So stories that are personal and emotionally compelling engage more of the brain, thus are better remembered than simply stating a set of facts. So number 4, game playing improves endorphin release. So, sinasabi dito na ang endorphins are natural painkillers that improve relaxation, calm, and focus. They are naturally produced by the body while playing games. So, it's true. Now, while we're playing games, mas nare-release yung stress natin, and also, we are keeping calm. That is why, says na it can improve our endorphin release. It is also a strategy to improve endorphin release, helping to create an environment ideal for focused learning. Number 5, Playing games keeps your brain healthy. So games encourage neuroplasticity, which is the brain's ability to respond to different stimuli and develop new connections. So this kind of training can strengthen neural pathways, increase create increase cognitive skills such as memory and attention, enhance creativity and problem solving skills, and help prevent age-related cognitive decline. So dito, it is true na playing games keep your brain healthy in a way na it helps you to improve your problem solving skills, na-enhance yung ability mo in a cognitive, such as cognitive skills. So, yon, and also prevent age correlated cognitive decline. So let's go on to the strategies in gamification for learning. So there are varieties of gamification strategies that you can incorporate into your learning environment. The most popular ones are: first, point systems. Assigning points for completing different tasks can encourage individuals to show how work hard you are. Then it also provides an accurate representation of their effort level to show how much they have progressed throughout the course or lesson. The next is the badges. So badges is a fantastic way to acknowledge and reward people for their efforts. So ito, showing that you value the hard work and effort you put into the task. Okay? Ito, yung badges is a device or token, especially at a member. For example, in 2, kapag nasa school ka at saka nag-aral ka ng mabuti, then kapag dumating yung recognition, magkakaroon ka ng award or one or part of the top students in your class. Then next is leaderboards. Leaderboards are great for creating competition among students as they will want to see their name on top and work harder as a result. Ito yung monitor na makita mo sa taas. Kunwari, when you are part of a competition, makikita mo doon yung pangalan mo, yung kung anong rank ninyo, at saka yung score. Okay? So, once na nakita mong mababa yung score mo doon, mas magiging eager ka na mag-strive hard para mas tumaas yung scores nyo and rank. Okay? Next is challenges. Challenge is a task that requires an individual to complete something using their time and effort, but it does not have any negative impact if failed or done correctly. So, yon. Yung challenges kasi, we need to overcome it. Find a solution in order to finish it. So, challenges can incorporate learning strategies such as problem solving, where individuals need to think outside the box to develop a solution. So, yun nga, I said na we need to overcome those challenges. We need to find the solution in order to finish it. Yun. It doesn't have any negative impact, but positive does. Okay? Just stay focused on what your goal is. Yon. So, next, using technology in this manner helps increase student engagement and motivation, which are both essential or supporting effective learning. So, we have some examples that could be the following. Number 1 is Khan Academy. Yon. Very famous ito sa internet. It is easy to find. Okay? Quizlet. Ito, before, nung mga more on online lahat ng students, kasi nga, because of the pandemic, I know na some students use this Quizlet if they do not have any idea about what their professor is saying. So, Duolingo, then Kahoot. Kahoot is an app, it's not an app. Okay? It is where teachers use to play games using their lessons. So, mas na-encourage yung students na um, mas na-encourage yung students and ma-motivate sa lessons kasi teachers use this Kahoot na increase students, ma-motivate yung mga students. So next is Google Read Along app. Okay. And that would be our presentation. Thank you.